How to apply for a credit card with an ITIN number. Guys, I am Janae and I talk all things immigration, including helping immigrants who haven't yet qualified for an immigration benefit. So if you're enjoying these videos, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Now, for those who do not know what is an ITIN number, it is a tax identification number. It's a tax identification number that an individual or a taxpayer can use to pay their taxes. So you can go to the IRS website and ask for a W-7, or you can go to any tax representative. They should be able to help you apply for the ITIN number. Who normally qualifies for this? The ITIN number is non-US residents who are usually non-citizens, or they are not, they don't have a green card, they don't have a lawful status in the United States, and they are working in the United States, and they will need to pay their tax. But the good thing about the ITIN number is not only can it pay taxes, but it can be used for things like applying for a credit card. Now, another question that is normally asked is, how safe is the ITIN number if you are undocumented? Should I be applying for an ITIN number? According to the Institute of Taxation and Economic Policy, at least 50% of undocumented households currently file income taxes. 23.6 billion US dollars are paid by those without social security numbers, and 12 billion US dollars estimates state and local taxes are paid yearly by undocumented workers. A 2014 IRS reports that unauthorized workers pay 9 billion in payroll taxes every year. So I would say this is safe to say that IRS, the Internal Revenue Service, will not give your information out because of the heavily benefit that they get from it. So I will be sharing all the banks that you can apply for a credit card with the ITIN number. I will be doing a video on what it is like. Unfortunately, I don't have anyone ITIN number to apply for with the process or with the video that I'll be displaying, but just to show you on where exactly you need to put your information when applying for your credit card. And of course, guys, if you're applying for a credit card, you will be asked questions like your name, your address, how much you work annually. Now, of course, if you're applying for an ITIN, that would mean that you're paying taxes because you are working in the United States. So this is just, to make that clear that they're going to be asking you for that. Any credit card company, while you're applying for a credit card, they're going to be asking you a personal information. Start with a secured credit card. When you start with a secured credit card, they can give you anywhere from $300 to $1,000. Now, sometimes you have to put down $300 to get the secured credit card, and some banks will just start you off with $300 to see how well you do and just then further increase the limit. And of course, guys, this opportunity or this option is very good. It's very good to prove to the bank that even though you're an immigrant, you are able to manage and pay for your credit card. Immigrants work, up to 50 to over 100,000, maybe less, maybe more, depending on your unique situation. So you can apply for different types of credit card. So the credit cards that I'm going to be telling you, I'll leave the link in the description box below, is American Express. That's the first one. Now, American Express also accept passport numbers. So just in case you don't have an ITIN, they will take a passport number. Bank of America, you can open up a credit card with them. They also accept a passport number. You have Capital One, you have Chase, you have Citibank, and there's also Synchrony Bank. There's TD Bank, US Bank, I think that's the last one. So there's Synchrony Bank, TD Bank, and US Bank. So guys, update, I did get a friend ITIN number. She has not ever received a credit card and I wanted to try. I am trying the Capital One, which is one of the easiest credit cards that you can get with an ITIN number. We're looking at different types of credit card, the APR, and what they're about. As you can see, I am applying for the Platinum MasterCard. That one is one of the easiest one to apply for. So I'm not able to show you her information. So this is just an example of what I did. This is what the screen will look like. And you can see social security number right there, guys. Do not be alarmed. Let me show you what happens after I input the legal information. So I go ahead, I put the first name, the middle name, the letter, the last name, the date of birth, and when it comes to the social security number, it will tell you at the bottom, please enter your social security number or individual tax identification number. So the tax identification number is, for example, say it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You then will add, if you are a U.S. citizen, which you are not, you select no, and you also want to select that you're a non-resident alien. You want to select the country that you are from. In this case, I am adding Jamaica. This will not take me further because I did not add a real ITIN number, but as you can see, it's giving you all the disclosures before going to the other page. The next page will just consist of your income. Your income will play a major part in what you will need to qualify. So I would say to consider using your household income, just you and your spouse income, because you want to show them that you can pay for this as well. I would say use your income, but it has to be of average. You know what I mean, guys. So we did indeed apply and we got a credit line of $500, which is fair. Yay. So it says that the card will arrive in 7 to 10 business days. The current balance was 0, which means she did not owe, but this is what it looks like. And by February the 24th, she will get her credit card. Yay. You just want to try at least a secured credit card. And if you haven't yet, have an ITIN, apply for an ITIN. This will help you, with your process while applying or waiting for an immigration benefit. A lot of people really, really do not know this. And so, a lot of people don't even know that these banks will accept you with, the ITIN number. I hope you find this video very informational to you or very helpful to you. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.